Well, hi everyone, I'm Hadris with WTI and I have this lovely lamp. Seriously, this one has really good light. I can read comfortably even at night, and you can see the big difference between when it's off and when it's on. We usually have it in the living room because it looks really nice and it's quite tall, so we prefer it here. But something really cool is that we can make it smaller, so it can go anywhere. We just unscrew some parts and remove them, so we have it smaller and perfect for reading. The white round part distributes the light really well, so I like it a lot. Now I can even read at night with clear and comfortable light. And that is my point of view.